Hello everyone. For my stock recommendation report, I have chosen Ford Motor Company, and for this stock, I am recommending a hold rating. And there are many reasons why I am recommending a hold rating for this stock, and I'm going to briefly explain it to you. So let's start with this graph over here from Yahoo Finance, and the purple trend over here is for Dow Jones Index. The pink one is from General Motors, and the blue one, the very bottom, is Ford. So you can see it's obvious that um, Ford Motor stock price is lower than Dow Jones and lower than General Motors. But the reason why I am recommending a hold for this stock is that I think, with the research I've done, that Ford Motors is actually performing better than General Motors. And we can start with this information I have taken from advfn.com. And as you can see, um, Ford Motors revenue from 2013, it was 146 million, and it consistently they had a little drop on 2014, but they've been able to go up, and it made it to 156 in 2017, and they've been able to keep their net income positive over the last 5 years. And if we compare it to General Motors, from 155 2017, they only have 145. um, and as you can see, their net income, they actually had a loss last year of 3 million, which is also which resulted also to a negative earnings per share. And another thing that we can use is this one. This is the balance sheet of Ford Motors for the last 5 years, and as you can see, Ford Motors never had a problem with cash. They have a lot of cash over here, 2013, 2014, 2015, except for the last 2 years. I have a little bit of cash, but as long as they're able to collect their receivables and other non-current or current assets, they'd be able to pay um, their short-term debts. And also, from this is also an evidence that the company is actually growing from 202 um, million. I guess this is million or billion. They on 2017, it's 257. That's a lot of growth. And also, the company's earnings per share um, is growing. You can see over here that from 1.82 last year, it's 1.91, and their ROE, or return on equity, um, from 30% 2013. Um, Actually, last 2015, the total automotive industry ROE was only 70%, and during that year, they made 30%. 2014, they a little bad. It was only 10%, but the after 2 years after 2015, they've been able to keep it to 20%, which is above average. Um, their current profit margin was 4.85%, which is not good. But if you compare it to for General Motors current, General Motors actually has negative 3.76% this year for profit margin. Um, Another thing that I can prove why I'm giving a hold rating is that this is a forecast, a 12-month forecast from the 19 analysts in CNN Money, and their forecast is that they have a high forecast of 16. So currently, um, Ford has 11.88, but their forecast is that in the next 12 months they'd be able to go to 16, which is a positive, or an additional 34.6% on their price. And they have a low forecast of 8, which is a decrease of 32.7%. But the median of this is 13, which is a positive, or an additional 9.3%, which is also good. Um, the last slide is this one. This is the last graph I've seen. This information is from Nasdaq, and there were 14 analysts, and 2 of them voted a strong buy, 1 only voted for buy, and 11 of them voted for hold. And as you can see also, there's 0 underperform and there's 0 for sell. And that's why I'm recommending a hold for this stock. And I think that's it. Thank you.